What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another stock portfolio update of my stocks and shares ISA. So before we go into this video, can you guys please smash that like button and get 30 likes? It really helps out the channel and the video get pushed forward to new audiences. So if you guys can do that, that'd be greatly appreciated. Also, if you can hit that subscribe button and help me get to 200 subscribers, we're nearly there. I'm trying to hit 250 subscribers by the end of the month. So thank you guys very much. So as you guys can see, Tesla is down 8.39% today, and that is my only holding in this account. You can see that, yeah, now my current portfolio value is under £100,000. It's £91,000, 368. So if you look at the return, I'm still up £17,000. 15,000 of that is from, the gain loss, and then I've also got some FX between, the dollar and pound conversion rate. So yeah, it's what it is. Tesla is very volatile. If we just look at the 1 year chart, well, let's go to the max. We can see when I started buying in, where was it? It was there we go, early 2021. I started buying, and then obviously it goes down. I was down for a lot of it. Yep, we're up again. We're up again. Oh wait, no, we're down. We're massively down. I was down like 50% at this point. It goes up, and down again. Yep. So yeah, this is just due for the course with investing in Tesla. You have to expect these massive up down swings. Obviously, if we look from 2024, it has just fallen off a cliff. But we can see that because obviously a lot from that was all Trump getting elected. A lot of hype. So because that was all momentum, not fundamentals, that pullback isn't out of the ordinary. So when you grasp that into Tesla as a whole, yeah, it's not unexpected. So if we go over to my, portfolio, we can see, what my current value. We can see over the last day minus 8.6%, because obviously that's due to the recent fall. Week minus 14.7%, and obviously the month, yeah, minus 26.5%. 3 month minus 11.7%. And the year, obviously I'm still up over the year because I've added more money in, and it's still at a higher level than it was a year ago. So, I've used for my ISA allowance, I've used 20,000 of the, so I have to wait till April before I can start putting more money into this account. And obviously my net deposits are nearly £80,000. So that just shows that although technically I've had this account over 5 tax years, because 2 of them were almost half tax years just because of where my birthday fell, I didn't have the full year to use up the full 20,000. So I basically have had 4 full tax years, and from those 4 full tax years, the maximum I could have put in is £80,000, and I've nearly hit that. So I'm pretty happy that I've managed to do that, and if I can manage maxing out the ISA going forward, that put me in a very good position moving forward. So yeah, as you guys can see, the portfolio is not doing as well as it was when it was at £143,000. It has since fallen down to £91,000, and honestly it could go lower. But when it comes to April, which is only about a month away, I'll start putting money in, and then we can start seeing some real increase. Because right now it's just the value of the portfolio is just dependent on the price of Tesla stock. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it's only a short one, just because I haven't had any new buys into the account and nothing much has changed other than the price of Tesla stock. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. It really helps out the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.